Hello guys and welcome back to Girls Beauty. So in today's video I will be sharing with you guys how you can style your dhoti pants in different ways. I totally love making such videos for you guys because I get to try different looks but with one prop. So in this video that prop is going to be dhoti pants. So before we jump into today's video, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and that bell icon is pressed so that every time I post a video, you get a little pop-up notifications. Let's jump right into today's video.
Okay, so for the first look, I'm wearing my beautiful Punjabi jutti and a yellow short kurti with this dhoti salwar. If my kurti is short, I don't like deep necks. I like to go for boat necks. And with this one, to define my waist and to add little glamour, I went for waist belt. To add little modern touch to our dress, I'm wearing a long jacket with a black top and accessory. I don't know what is it called. And I color coordinated my handbag to go with this look. Keeping it simple, wearing my hoops. Chunky handbags will look great with this outfit. Totally in love with this modern dhoti pant look. And what do you think? In the similar fashion, I'm wearing my button-up long shirt with my dhoti pants and a crop top. I'm looking like a zebra. Oh, and how much I love this lip color. There is one more look with dhoti pants. I posted a picture on my Instagram and everyone loved this look. So I wore a crop top with my dhoti pants and this looks very pretty.
So in the last one, I'll show you how you can style your sari with dhoti pants. For this one, I'm going for the same color sari as my dhoti pants. You can try with contrast, but I think same color will go very well in this style.
Take one end of your sari and start making pleats. I'm going to tuck in 1 meter of my sari in my dhoti pants. Move it towards your right hand side. Like a normal sari, decide the length of your pallu. Then I'm making pleats of the pallu so that it's easier to manage. So now put your pallu away and let's start work on the remaining sari. Tuck the loose fabric at the back and start making pleats. I'm making very rough pleats because I'm doing it for the demo purpose. In your case, take your time and do it properly. So adjust the length of your sari or otherwise if you're not happy with any section. Bottom part is done, so I will now redo the pallu and make proper pleats. Cover your dhoti pants properly with the sari. Now I'm gonna pin up the pallu to keep the pleats in place. To give it a more defined and agile look, I'm going for a belt. Actually, this is not a belt, this is same accessory I wore in the previous look. So I'm doing kinda jugaad. I'm going to adjust my pallu at the back to cover up all the pleats. And this is our final look. This is a super glamorous look and it is so easy to achieve. In terms of accessories, I went for earrings and this belt. This is a perfect look for office party, farewells or any small wedding functions. And you will have all the eyes on you. And carry a statement clutch to complete this look. Isn't it totally a gorgeous look?
And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it because I definitely had gala time filming it for you guys. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button, share your feedback in the comment section below, and please do let me know which style is your favorite out of all the styles which I tried today. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so by clicking on the subscribe button below. If you're already subscribed to my channel, then make sure the bell icon next to the subscribe button is also clicked so that every time I post a video, you receive a notification. And on that beautiful note, I see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep it smart and keep it stylish. Bye!